First aid quiz for kids. Hello, Rescue Rangers. Before we test your preparedness to handle emergencies, let's explore the printable and interactive worksheets on Tutoring Hour. Visit tutoringhour.com for your daily dose of practice. Before we start the quiz, let's build a simple first aid kit together. A first aid kit is a special box that holds essential supplies to help in emergencies. Ask an adult to help you collect these items and place them in a clean, sturdy box or bag. Bandages of different sizes for cuts and scrapes. Gauze pads for bigger wounds. Adhesive tape to keep bandages in place. Antibiotic ointment packets. Antiseptic wipes to clean cuts. Cold compress to help with bumps and swelling. Gloves to keep hands safe and clean. Small scissors or tweezers for splinters or cutting tape. And thermometer. Now that our kit is ready, let's get started. Anna falls and scrapes her knee. What's the first thing she should do? A. Cry loudly. B. Rub it with her shirt. Or C. Wash it gently with water? Anna must wash the scrape with clean water, put on ointment, and cover it with a bandage. Irene touches something hot and burns her hand. What should she do first? A. Put it in cold water. B. Keep rubbing it. Or C. Ignore it. Irene must cool the burn under cold running water for 10 to 20 minutes. Liam is bleeding from a cut. What should Jacob do? A. Blow on it. B. Cover it with a clean cloth and press gently. Or C. Wipe the blood with a handkerchief. Jacob must cover the cut with a clean cloth and press it gently to stop the bleeding. Sam bumps his head and feels dizzy. What should his friend Kylie do? A. Tell him to run around. B. Call an adult for help. Or C. Give him a candy? Kylie must call an adult for help. Elsa accidentally swallows a small part of a toy while playing and is choking. What should Amanda do? A. Pat Elsa's back and ask her to cough it. B. Ignore her. Or C. Give her water immediately. Amanda must pat her back and get an adult if she can't breathe. Hannah falls and has a broken bone in her hand. What should her friend Jake do? A. Try to move her hand quickly. B. Keep it still and call an adult. Or C. Push the bone back in. Jake must keep Hannah's hand still, put ice wrapped in a cloth, and get an adult right away. Olivia was stung by a bee. What should she do first? A. Suck out the sting. B. Scratch it hard. Or C. Remove the stinger carefully with tweezers and clean the area. Olivia must remove the stinger carefully with tweezers and clean the area. Sam's nose is bleeding. What should his sister Mia do? A. Tilt his head back. B. Pinch his nose and make him lean forward slightly. Or C. Stuff cotton into his nose. Mia must pinch his nose and lean him forward until the bleeding stops. Lisa has itching, swelling, and trouble breathing after eating a handful of nuts. What should her brother Henry do? A. Call an adult or emergency help immediately. B. Give her a snack. Or C. Tell her to walk it off? Henry must call for emergency help immediately. Carol gets a splinter in her finger. What should she do? A. Dig it out with a safety pin. B. Rub and scratch it. Or C. Pull it out with clean tweezers. Carol must pull it out with clean tweezers and wash the spot. Luke is tired, sweating a lot and feeling weak and dizzy in the hot sun. What should Tim do? A. Make Luke run around. B. Move Luke to shade and give him cool water. Or C. Shake him up. These are signs of heat exhaustion. Tim must move Luke to a shaded or air-conditioned area and give him cool water to drink. That's all from us, safety champions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative quizzes. Thank you for watching. Until next time, remember to stay calm, act smart, and get an adult's help in emergencies.